Hi guys, my name is JL Austria. Before I start up my tutorial video, for disclaimer, the purpose of this video is for education and research only. For today's video, I will teach you how to remove the password of your Android phone. If you forgot your password on your phone, do this method. I am sure it will help you. And you don't need to go to cell phone technicians to delete your password. This way you can save money paying for technicians. 5 days ago my coworker gave me an Android phone. She told me she found it in the trash. I tried to open it, but the phone was low-bat. When I got home, I put the phone in the charge. And it worked, but it had a password. So this is what I did to unlock the phone. I covered the lock screen profile for security purposes. As you can see in the screen, I tried to unlock the phone but I can't open it. Anyways, the name of this unit is Samsung Galaxy Note 3. First step, open the back of the phone and remove the battery to turn off the phone. Second step, push the upper button for volume and home page button. Then push the power button. Press it until you see that it is powered on, and you see the blue writing on the left side corner. When you see the blue text in the left corner, remove your finger from holding the power button. But do not remove your finger from holding the home button and upper volume until you see the text appear on the screen, which is like this. Look for the written wipe data and factory reset. Since we can't use the touch screen of our screen, use the volume up and down button for the scroll up and down function and the power button for the enter function. After you click wipe data and factory reset, click reboot now. After doing all that, your phone will restart. Just let it and it's done. You can use your phone without a password. I just want to remind you that using this method will lose all your phone data, including your apps and emails, so make sure your phone does not have any important documents or files. Just wait until it's restart. Then your phone is ready to use without a password. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching. Give this video thumbs up. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. See you in my next video.